Masters of Sex alum Michael Sheen has been tapped to star opposite Christine Baranski, Cush Jumbo and Rose Leslie on the upcoming third season of the CBS All-Access legal drama series The Good Fight, set to premiere in early 2019. In a one-year deal, he will play Roland Bloom, a brilliant, charismatic and Machiavellian lawyer. He is a man of appetites, drugs, sex, you name it, who's far more interested in winning than the niceties of following the law. Sheen also joins The Good Fight series regulars Audra McDonald, Sarah Steele, Michael Boatman, Nyambi, and Delroy Lindo. In Season 3, The Resistance does. Diane Lockhart, Baranski, tries to figure out whether you can resist a crazy administration without going crazy yourself, while Adrian Bozeman, Lindo, and Liz Reddick Lawrence, McDonald, struggle with a new post-factual world where the lawyer who tells the best story triumphs over the lawyer with the best facts.
Meanwhile, Luca Quinn, Jumbo, balances a new baby with a new love, and Maya Rindell, Leslie, finds a new Mephistopheles in Roland Bloom, Sheen, a Roy Cohn-like lawyer who is corruption incarnate. Robert and Michelle King serve as showrunners and executive producers of the series, which they co-created with Phil Alden Robinson. Ridley Scott, David W. Zucker, Liz Glotzer, Brooke Kennedy and William Finkelstein also serve as executive producers. The series is produced by CBS Television Studios in association with Scott Free Productions and King Size Productions. The series is distributed worldwide by CBS Studios International. In addition to starring as Dr. Bill Masters on Showtime's Masters of Sex for 4 seasons, Sheen played Tony Blair in HBO's The Special Relationship, as well as the movie The Queen. He will next appear in Neil Gaiman's Good Omens for Amazon. In features, Sheen recently completed filming opposite Robert Downey Jr. in The Voyage of Dr. Dolittle.
He is repped by ICM Partners and Link Entertainment and Shrek Rose.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.